My name is Allison, and today I'm going to show you how to properly apply our lubricating fluid onto our Nav-Aids test adapters. This is what the lubricating fluid bottle looks like. As you can see, it has a dedicated NSN number, so it is appropriate for use on our military adapters as well as our adapters for most other aircraft. Your adapters should be lubricated as required in order to ensure a proper fit onto your Pitot probe or pretester. Simply apply 1 to 2 drops onto your Pitot probe or pretester so your adapter can be inserted smoothly. Tighten by hand only. Wrenches or other tools should not be needed. Use a glove, a cotton swab, or a cloth. It's only a very small amount. You should not be pouring it into the adapter. Using a small amount keeps your seals lubricated, extending their shelf life. However, ethylene glycol is sugar-based, so overuse can cause crystallization and cause your adapter to seize. If you notice a white residue, you can remove it by using warm water. Please refer to our safety data sheet and warning labels for additional hazard information as well as instructions for use. Come see us at our next trade show and ask about our samples.